Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro dollar, we are sitting at the 50% Fibonacci. I do think that this is one big ABC correction right here, but the 50% doesn't necessarily have to hold. It could push down to one of these lower Fib levels before it actually does end up pushing up, making that big expanding flat wave C. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the trend is definitely down. We do not have a breaker structure. We do not have a significant higher low telling us that this downtrend is over yet. Like I said, it could end up respecting this 50% and continue on the uptrend here, but it could also end up going down to any one of these Fibonacci levels. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it looks like it's already ended a crescent to me. I mean, it looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up. Looks like impulsive down. Kind of seems to me like we may be back into the downtrend. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it totally looks like 5 waves up right here. Looks like a possible wave A. Looks like this is a wave B. Looks like this is another 5 waves up for a wave C. Looks like this right here is the end of a crescent. Now today is CPI inflation data, so we'll have to see. We are sitting at a Fibonacci level of this last push up right here. So if it does go up, if it does break structure, then that probably is going to tell us that it is going to end up going back up, and then it probably is going to end up taking out the previous highs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, we have CPI inflation data today. To me, it looks like the end of a crescent up here. If this right here really is the end of a wave C, then this will continue the downtrend, making lower highs, lower highs. If this right here does end up respecting like this Fibonacci level, which is a Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here, if it ends up going up and breaking structure and holding above structure, then I would definitely stop, exit any shorts that you might be in, and I would start looking for longs potentially for the continuation of this uptrend. So going to be kind of a crucial day because of the inflation data. To me, it looks like it's more likely just going to keep on going down, but if the market goes up and breaks structure, proving me wrong, then I definitely have no problem exiting my shorts and going long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.